All right, YouTube, here's the hidden hillbilly again. Well, this is what we did. We wired it all up and it works great. So you got a master switch right here that controls these buttons. And what we did is I tapped into that circuit board and brought the wires down, and I made a switch out of the foot pedal metal connecting to a spring-loaded metal underneath. So it's like a dual switch now up under in here. Okay, so if everything works right, if I press the gas pedal, the wheel should spin and you should hear the revving. So I'll show you the wheels spinning and everything, and then you'll hear the revving continue because it resets every time it ends if you have the switch closed. Okay, so here we go. So here's the wheels going, and you can hear it. Here, listen. You can change it. Well, I guess you can't. All right, come on. Sometimes they're long. There we go. Here we go. Watch again. See? I gotta mount everything. This is still loose down here, but anyway, y'all get the idea. I looked everywhere for a single throw double pole switch that would be both normally closed contacts, and I couldn't find one. And I tried to make one out of two switches, and that didn't work, so I just made my own switch. So, there you go. Hidden hillbilly. I'll see you again.